Welcome! In front of me I have a Zeblaze Stratos and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets and find the widget that looks like this. Basically you have icons going around. Now tap on the settings icon right here in the middle. In settings, scroll down, find the option called reset and then tap on it. And then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.